Hello and welcome to number 112 Lios Ard on the Tulla Road in Ennis. This is a 3-bedroom end of terraced home located in this very popular housing development just off the Ennis to Tulla Road, just 400 metres from the M18 motorway, and a short stroll to Roslevan Stores, Roslevan Shopping Centre, and of course you're within close proximity to all your secondary and national schools. You can see that the property is positioned to the rear of the estate, so it's enjoying these fantastic countryside views. So let's have a look at the inside and see what you think. So on entering the main entrance hallway, the finish that you see here is a finish that is carried throughout this property, and it is a very high end finish throughout. And just to take in what's in the hall, you have your polished tiled bordered flooring. You can see all your connections coming in for your internet and phone lines and so on. Then you have your painted railed and carpeted stairs leading to the first floor landing with the decorative ceiling coving, good quality light fixtures throughout. So overall a very nice welcoming space, with the first door on the right going into the main reception and the door straight ahead into the kitchen dining. So into the main reception, again this is a very nicely proportioned room, has the ceiling coving and an absolutely stunning fireplace piece. Very nicely done, and certainly an upgrade that the owner did from the very start here, as are the solid timber flooring that you see. Again, top end finish, and even down to your curtains and poles. And of course that great view out onto the countryside. So overall this is a very nice room and a great living space. So back into the entrance hallway, we're heading in to the kitchen dining. So again you'll appreciate the standard of finish that is expressed throughout. You can look at the quality tiled flooring, your centre island feature with the extended counter for your breakfast seating with additional base storage. You have your integrated appliances, which includes your dishwasher, which is positioned here. You have your fan assisted oven and ceramic hob over to the right hand side there with the extractor hood and fan overhead. The door to the right is into the utility, which further links into the downstairs WC. So again, nice tile splashback, good quality tile flooring as mentioned, and very nicely presented. Little touches like your recessed ceiling lighting, or your recessed lighting I should say, on the canopy overhead the sink. Good quality sink unit. And of course this is open plan into the dining area. Dining area has the similar solid timber flooring that you saw in the main reception. And this is connected to the rear patio and gardens via the patio door, and we'll take a look at the outside space later on. So into the utility. So arriving into the utility, you have your back door out onto the patio. The door straight ahead is into the ground floor WC. But again you'll appreciate, once again, same quality of unit carried out from the kitchen with the tile splashback, ample work surfaces, so no shortage of storage in the units. And of course you have your space and plumbing for washing machine and dryer, and the same tile flooring carried right through, and that continues right into the WC. So the WC, again, people have built-in units to this wall here to make full use of that space. And then you have your WC and wash hand basin with your tile splashback, and once again that same tile as mentioned brought right through. So we'll continue now with the first floor accommodation and see what you make of that. So you have a really generous landing space in the Lios Ard houses, with your hot press housing your immersion tank and shelving positioned here. You have access to your additional attic storage via the pull down fold away stairs. And then you have the door into the main bathroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and your bedroom 3. Into the main bathroom, again very high-end finish, good quality tiling, very, very tastefully done, and there's good fixtures and fittings spread throughout this house as well that you might not get to see on camera, but they are here and all very nicely done. See the glass panel shower door and your shower overhead. And when you come from the bathroom, you're into the first of 3 bedrooms. So again, nice big double bedroom here with your T&G polished wood flooring. No built-in wardrobes in this bedroom, but you do have them in bedrooms 2 and 3. And you could very well put them into bedroom number 1 if you wanted to. There's plenty of space to do so. So bedroom number 2 is the master bedroom en suite. And this once again has your T&G polished wood flooring, has your TV point positioned here to the right hand side. Again, a nice bay window enjoying the countryside views. And as I turn the camera around, you'll see the door on the left is the one I just came in to the room. The wardrobes are positioned there on the left, and the door on the right is into the ensuite. Now, the current owner was very smart in the design of this, where they took a little piece from the hot press at the time of the house was being constructed, and that was to allow for a much larger ensuite that you see here. So normally the entire ensuite would be taken up with just a square area here, but because of the changes that were made, it allowed for a much larger space, facilitating a really nicely equipped and spacious ensuite. So very, very nicely finished with your fully tiled walls and floors, spotlighting overhead the mirror. A really, really smart idea by the current owner. And then into the 3rd bedroom, which is the smallest room in the house, as you'll appreciate. And this once again has the T&G polished wood flooring and your built-in wardrobes positioned here. This is a really nice nursery room or single bedroom or indeed home office, because once again, if your desk is here, you have a very pleasant view out to the front. So now, taking in the outdoor space, you have 2 patios. You've one position just here off the patio door, and the other extends over to the front of the shed, with your little raised wall area here dividing the lawn and the patio with some brick features as well. And you can see the site is fully walled all the way around, and when you're sitting in your patio, you can certainly see the privacy that the property boasts. So really nice outdoor space, linking very smartly back into the house via the patio door and into the utility via the door here to the right. So again, worth noting the privacy and indeed the finish. So if you would like further information on this very bright and spacious and indeed well finished 3-bedroom semi-detached home in this very popular housing development, please feel free to call us on 065 684 0200 or email us info@dngosullivanhurley.com. Thank you very much for watching.